SoftBank Group is minus 10.34% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is August 19th, and today we are putting the spotlight on SoftBank Group, a major global company. SoftBank Group is down 10.34% to 5,227 yen in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between 5,200 yen and 5,573 yen. The long-term fundamentals for SoftBank Group revolve around earnings, macro conditions, and sector trends. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SoftBank, FTSE 9984. Stock looks below fair value but earnings look cheaper, SimpliWorld. Let us look at the broader sector picture. On the geopolitical front, the move follows reports that S&P 500 inches lower as Middle East tensions outweigh tech gains, WTVB. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, Rumble's Bitcoin by What's Moving Markets. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 ends higher as CoreWeave results fuel RE optimism. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Samsung plunged minus 7.82% to 247,500 Korean wons in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Keyence made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 5.33% to 79,650 yen. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Should I Buy Keyence, KYCCF, Zacks Investment Research. With the selling pressure we have seen today, the key support level for Keyence is around 74,871 yen. A failure to hold there could accelerate the decline and attract further sellers. For a recovery, bulls need to see a fundamental shift in the drivers weighing on prices. This is our view, always do your own research. Hitachi plunged minus 5.24% to 5,225 yen in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Hitachi stock and two Japanese nuclear energy picks for power grid demand, SimpliWorld. The technical picture for Hitachi has deteriorated. The 4,911 yen and 50 sen level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Here is our analytical view on SoftBank Group from here. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SoftBank, FTSE 9984. Stock looks below fair value but earnings look cheaper, SimpliWorld. The technical picture for SoftBank Group has deteriorated. The 4,913 yen and 38 sen level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Independent market coverage, no subscription fees, no paywalls. If this analysis saved you time and helped you think more clearly about the market, please like the video. It costs you nothing and it directly funds more content like this. Subscribe for daily coverage across indices, stocks, commodities, forex, and crypto. Tell us in the comments, what are you watching most closely right now? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on SoftBank Group from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.